Good morning, my dear children. Welcome back to the maths class, that is chapter 3 polynomials and part 3. In part 2, we have learned about the types of polynomials and the graphs of the types of the polynomials, and particularly the different models of the graphs of the quadratic polynomials. Now, in this session, you are going to learn the relation between the coefficient and zeros of the polynomial. So, let us see the first relation between the zeros and the coefficients of the polynomial of 2x square minus 8x plus 6. So, first you must factorize this polynomial by splitting the middle term. You already know that how to split the middle term of the polynomial. You already know, but once again I'll explain it. Let us take the coefficients of the first and the last terms. So first term coefficient x square, that is 2, and last term is 6. Multiply both of them, 6 2s are 12, product is 12. The 12 can be written in so many ways as the product of two numbers, that is 4 into 3 12, 6 into 2 2 12, and 12 into 1 is also 12. But here we have minus 8, so 6 into 2, that is 12, and 6 plus 2, which is 8, which is suitable to this middle term. So let us split 8x as minus 6x and minus 2x. So rewrite the equation as 2x square minus 6x minus 2x plus 6. In first two terms, the common is 2x. So take 2x common, 2x into x minus 3. Then the next two terms, 2 is common and minus is also common. So if you take minus 2 common, then minus 2 into x minus 3. In this, again x minus 3 common. So x minus 3 into 2x minus 2. To get the zeros of this variable x, you must equate each of the parts to 0. So 2x is equal to 2x minus 2 equal to 0. 2x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2 by 2. So x is equal to 1. The next part, that is x minus 3, is equal to 0. Then x is equal to 3. Therefore, the zeros of 2x square minus 8x plus 6 are 1 and 3. So here we found the zeros of the given polynomial. That means just by factorizing the given polynomial by splitting the middle term. Now, let us find the coefficients of the same polynomial. So, before find the coefficients of the polynomial, first, what is a formula to find the coefficients of the given polynomial? See, by taking the coefficients of the terms of the polynomial, we'll assume that alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial. Suppose ax square plus bx plus c. Already we have discussed that ax square plus bx plus c is a general form of a quadratic polynomial. Then the sum of zeros, that is alpha plus beta, because alpha is the one zero, beta is another zero. Then sum of zeros means alpha plus zero. The formula is minus b by a. So what is minus b by a? Here b is x coefficient, a is x square coefficient. So the formula is minus of x coefficient by x square coefficient. Now the next one is product of zeros, that is alpha beta, that is equal to, the formula is c by a. What is c here? Constant term. So constant term by coefficient of x square. So in this way, you can find the sum and product of zeros of the given polynomial directly through the polynomial. Now see the same example, that is 2x squared minus 8x plus 6. So in this, the x square coefficient, that is a, which is equal to 2, and the x coefficient, that is b, which is equal to minus 8, and you should take along with the negative, children, the coefficient you must use along with the negative, and a positive you have to write it. And last constant, that is c, is equal to 6. Now sum of zeros formula is the previous slide you have seen. the sum of zeros formula is minus b by a. So that is equal to minus of, here b value is minus 8. So write minus of minus 8 by 2. Minus into minus, which is plus. So 8 by 2, which is 4. The product of zeros formula is c by a. So c value is 6 and a value is 2. So 6 by 2, that is 3. So now let us check whether this is the relation between the zeros and coefficients, which is same or not. Let us verify it. So already factorization I have already explained in the previous first module. So 2x minus 3, 2x square minus 6x minus 2x plus 6. So that is 2x into x minus 3 minus 2 into x minus 3. That is x minus 3 into x minus 2. So first x value is 3. Second x value is 2x is equal to 2. So x is equal to 2 by 2, which is 1. So here we will take one x, that is alpha, that is 3. The other x value 1, that is as beta. Now sum of zeros formula is what? Alpha plus beta. Through polynomial the formula is minus b by a. But here alpha and beta already we got two zeros. So sum means what? Plus. So alpha plus beta is equal to 3 plus 1, 4. As directly through the formula also we got the value as 4 only. Similarly, the product of zeros here, alpha, beta, is multiply 3 into 1, which is 3. And in previous slide, directly we got c by a. So that means c by 2, that is also 3 we got it. That means the zeros and coefficients, the sum and the product of the zeros and coefficients, when you consider it, the both values we got it as same. Hence, it is verified. So, in this way, if any polynomial is upward, any quadratic polynomial is given, you can find the zeros and then you assume those zeros as one of the zero as alpha, the other zero as beta. You find the sum of those two and find the product of those two and directly verify these two values through the formula, that is minus b by a and c by a. Now, just see. So we have already completed. So this how to find the zeros and how to find the zeros of the given polynomial, as well as how to find the sum and product of zeros. The sum and product of zeros directly after finding the alpha. That means after finding the zeros of the polynomial, then finding the sum and product of zeros, and through the polynomial what are the coefficients of x square, what is the coefficient of x, what is the constant, that is c, then directly finding that minus b by sum of the coefficients as well as the product of the coefficients also. This is very, very, very important, children, for your examination point of view. From this, definitely you are going to get a 2-mark question, so it's very, very important. Thank you. I hope you might have understood this concept, today's concept. Practice some other models also. Based on this, you other models also practice it and keep all these things in your mind. Thank you very much.